show you how to make blueberry cheesecake. It's a no bake, no gelatin cake. So pretty simple to make. So let's begin. So to first prepare the cheesecake base, I have taken about 20 to 25 digestive biscuits here. So I'm going to just powder them. We don't need to make it into a fine powder, just in the form of crumbs is okay. Okay, so I have powdered this biscuits here. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of melted butter into it, and we'll mix it. Okay. So here we have mixed it now. As you can see, the texture is that of a wet sand. And now we'll transfer this into a tin. So here we'll transfer this. So now we'll just spread it in this base and just spread it evenly. So we can use any flat container, and then we can, with a flat base, and then we can just press it so that it sets evenly. Now we can we'll keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I have taken a chilled utensil. I'd kept it in the fridge for some time. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of whipping cream to it, and I'm just going to whip this up. Okay, so we are done with whipping the cream, as you can see. So now we'll move on to the next step. So I have taken about 180 grams of cream cheese here. To this I'm just, first of all, I'm just going to soften it. So this is at room temperature, so we'll just soften it a bit. To this I'm going to add half a cup of icing sugar. And just mix it. Once the sugar is completely mixed in it, we are going to add half a cup of melted white chocolate. So I have taken white chocolate and melted it in microwave, and I have just allowed it to cool also, and then we are going to add it to our mixture now. So we'll mix everything together. Just give it a gentle mix. Okay, so now I'm adding 1 spoon of blueberry pie filling to it. You may even add fresh blueberries if you like, or you can add dried blueberry or blueberry compote to it, and we'll give it a mix. So to this mixture, I'm now going to add the whipped cream that we had. So we don't need to mix it hard, just fold it in. So we'll just mix and fold it in. So the mixture is ready now. So what we'll do is we'll just pour it on the biscuit crust that we had kept in the fridge. You can add more blueberry filling also if you would like in this mixture, but it all depends on your taste. I have just added 1 spoon because I just wanted slight flavor at this moment, because we'll be putting some more pie filling on top also. So we'll just spread the cheesecake evenly, the cheese spread evenly here. We have spread it evenly. On top of this, now I'm going to add some blueberry pie filling again. You can even use fresh blueberries. It's upon you on how you would like to use it. You can just spread it. Okay, so I have spread it evenly now, and then now we are going to keep it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I think it's better to keep it overnight for it to be completely set if you have time. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then once it's set, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So now I have kept it overnight. So let's just demold it. So first and foremost, what we'll do is we'll just um, check it from the edges, and so I'll just so our cake is done. Look how lovely it looks like, isn't it? Let's proceed to cut it. Yay! Do give it a try, guys, and let me know how you like it. Bye.